All right, so let's look at all the odd numbered questions. So this is w squared minus 25. And then I keep wanting to mesh my parentheses with my w's when I do w's. Ooh, 25. Okay. There's no sum of square formula, so this factors to a w minus 5 and a w plus 5. Oh my gosh, I cannot do w's right now. But that w squared minus 25, or sorry, plus 25 does not factor. Because there's nothing that I can split it up into where I would be able to get rid of that middle term with there being addition in the middle. Okay, so r to the 4th minus k squared. I guess I don't have to rewrite it out. So this would be r squared minus k and r squared plus k. Okay, and this is a difference of squares. Sorry, difference of cubes. So the cube root of 64 is 16. Sorry, it's cube root of 64 is 4. I looked at the number 16 and said 16 instead. Okay. So now you could factor this backwards, or what you could do, and your next teacher probably wants you to do this, is factor out that negative and make the variable come first. So this will be a negative a minus 1, a squared plus a plus 1. And then if they both had variables, then I would just leave it. But in this case, since one of them doesn't have a variable with it, we would go ahead and factor out that negative 1 and flip it around. Okay, so then the cube root of 8 is 2. And the cube root of 27 is 3. So then this is 4x squared plus 2x times 3 plus 9. So 2x plus 3, and then 4x squared plus 6x plus 9. Okay, and then u plus 2, u squared minus 2u, and then plus 4. A minus 5, sorry, a plus 5, a squared minus 5, a plus 25. Oops. I zoomed in somehow really, really far. Okay, so now let's factor out a negative. So that's 27u cubed minus 125. So then that's negative 3u minus 5, 9u squared plus 3u times 5 plus 25. So negative 3u minus 5, 9u squared plus 15u plus 25. Okay. Oh boy. 648, let's see. 10, 18. So this is divisible by 3 because all the digits add up to something that's divisible by 3. So 648 divided by 3 is 1, just kidding, 2, 1, 3, 1, 8, so that's 6. So 216. So we'll have a 3a and a 216 plus 1029 divided by 3 is 3, 9, 1, 2, 4, and then 3, so 343. a cubed. And I believe 343, if I'm not mistaken, is that 749 and 7, 3, 6, 28. Yeah, so that's 7 cubed. Okay, so now what I would do is I'm going to rearrange this. So this would be 3a 343a cubed plus 216. So 3a, that's 7a plus 6, and then not 7, 49 a squared plus 7a times 6 plus 36. There's a minus sign somewhere because I keep forgetting it, and it's there. Okay, so this is 3a, 7a plus 6, 49a squared minus 42a plus 36. Okay, so this is 7m plus 4n, 49m squared plus 7m times 4n plus 16n squared. So 7m plus 4, 49m squared plus, not 40, 28. There's a minus sign. I always forget that. Minus 28mn plus 16n squared. I'm going to fix it here. Boop. Okay. 19, 21. Oh boy. They're divisible by 3. We just did this one. So 1029 divided by 3 was 39124, 343. So I'm going to pull a 3y out, and I'm left with 343x cubed plus 8y cubed. Okay. And then, so then 3y, 7x plus 2y, 49x squared plus 7x times 2y plus 4y squared. So 3y, 7x plus 2y, 49x squared plus 14xy plus 4y squared. Okay, and then this will be 2a plus 5, 4a squared minus, oh, I did it again up here. Every single time I make this typo, and I keep forgetting to put the subtraction sign. 2a times 5, and then, oops, and then plus 25. So this is 2a plus 5, 4a squared minus 10a plus 25. Okay. 25. M plus 2n. M squared plus 2mn plus 4n squared. M plus 4n. M squared plus 4mn plus 16. Oops, n squared. Oh, I keep messing it up. I did it twice. Somebody's got to stop me. There should be subtraction right here. I keep messing that up. I get all excited with too many addition signs. Okay. Let's see. 29. So we're going to factor this guy again. So this is a 6 on the top and a 5 on the bottom. So 5 and 1. So this is a to the 4th. Nope, a squared. Just kidding. A squared plus 5 and a squared plus 1. My handwriting is really bad today. And a squared plus 1. Okay. So we have to do a bottoms up situation here. So negative 54 on the top. 16 times 7 for 112 on the bottom. And it's negative. So now we need factors of 112. So 1 and 1, 12. 2 and 56. 3 doesn't work. 4 and 28. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 14. Oh, I can stop here because there's already one that's here. Negative 56 and 2. Okay, so this means that this is an m squared minus 56 over 7 and an m squared plus 2 over 7. So bring what's in the bottom to the top. Oh, wait, I can't do that yet. I have to reduce m squared minus 8 and then m squared plus 2 over 7. Bring what's in the bottom to the top. So this is m squared minus 8 and 7m squared plus 2. Okay, so this is, m squared minus 8 and 7m squared plus 2. Okay, doing some more. This is the diamond method, 1 and negative 12, so that'll be a 4 and negative 3. X to the, not to the fourth. X squared minus 4 over nobody. I was going to do bottoms up, but there's no bottoms up. X squared plus 4 and an x squared minus 3. And that doesn't factor anymore because there's no sum of squares. Okay, 35. Diamond. 9, 20, 5, and 4. So this is m squared plus 5 and m squared plus 4. Ooh, this is a big one. Okay. So 41 and then 210. Okay. So 210. Factors of 210. 1 and 210. 2 and 105. 3 and 70. 4, no. 5, yes. 5 and 45. 6, yes, I think. 6 and it goes in 3, 18. 30, so that's 5. 7 and 30. Oh, I can stop because I have 41 already. So this is 6 and 35. So this would be bottoms up. So this is u squared plus 6 over 7 and u squared plus 35 over 7. And then I reduce. So u squared plus 6 over 7 and then u squared plus 5. Bring what's in the bottom to the top. So then I get 7u squared plus 6 and u squared plus 5. Okay, everybody has a 2x squared, so then that leaves me with an x to the 4th. No, not everybody has a 2x squared, just kidding. Okay, so everybody's got an x squared, though, just not a 2x squared. So this will be 2x to the 4th plus 13x squared. And then plus 6. Okay, so then 13 goes on the top and 12 goes on the bottom. So this is 12 and 1. So x squared, and then it'll be x squared plus 12 over 2 and x squared plus 1 over 2. So then I get x squared plus 6, And then in the bottom to the top, so then that would be 2x squared plus 1. X squared plus 6, and then 2x squared plus 1. Okay, so now let's do the next one. This is going to be factors of 60. Okay, so negative 9 on the top, negative 60 on the bottom. So factors of 60. 1 and 60, 2 and 30, 3 and 20, 4 and 15, 5 and somebody, 5 and 12, 6 and 10. I'm trying to get 9 though. Negative 9. And I don't think this is going to work. Yeah. No, there's no way for me to get 9. That's going to give me 7. That would give me 4. That's going to give me 11. So this is prime. Oops. Okay, 41. 43. So let's factor out a negative. So I get x to the 6, not plus, minus 2x cubed minus 15. Okay, did I do any of the other? No, these weren't cubes over here. Okay, I just want to make sure I didn't mess up any cubes. No, okay. So now, I get all paranoid now with the cubes because I keep messing them up. Okay, so I have a negative 2 on the top and a negative 15 on the bottom. So then my factors are negative 5 and 3. So this will be negative x cubed minus 5 and x cubed plus 3. So negative x cubed minus 5 and x cubed plus 3. Okay, so 45. Again, this will be bottoms up. So negative 1 on the top and 52 on the bottom. Negative 52. 42, just kidding. Didn't seem right. I was like, I don't think any factors of 52 is going to give me what a negative 1. Okay, so factors of 42, 1 and 42, 2 and 21, 3 and somebody, 3 and 16. No, not 16, 14. 6 and 7. Negative 7 and 6. So this will be a u squared minus 7 over 3 and a u squared plus 6 over 3. So then I reduce, so u squared minus 7 over 3, u squared plus 2. So then this is a 3u squared minus 7 and a u squared plus 2. Okay. And then 47, everybody's divisible by 5 and an n. So then this gives me a u to the 8th minus 3u to the 4th, and then plus 8. So then my factors. So I'm looking at a negative 3 on the top, and an, oops. And an 8 on the bottom. So then I want no vectors of 8 are going to work to give me a negative 3 in the middle. So this is prime. And that is it for all the odd numbered questions.